2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, power driver's seat. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.